Module 5. Network and connectivity for CCTV and smart automation systems. Module Overview. In the modern era, CCTV systems and smart automation solutions are no longer standalone installations. They rely heavily on network connectivity, structured cabling, and seamless integration with Internet protocols IP. This module explores network design principles, wired and wireless connectivity, IP addressing, routers, switches, bandwidth management, cloud storage, and remote monitoring, ensuring that you understand the backbone of communication that makes modern CCTV and automation systems reliable, efficient, and secure. 1. The role of networks in CCTV and smart automation. Traditional CCTV, analog, worked with coaxial cables and DVRs. Modern CCTV, IP-based, uses LANs, WANs, and cloud networks for real-time monitoring, remote access, and data storage. Smart automation, e.g. smart locks, thermostats, lighting, sensors, integrates with IoT, Internet of Things, requiring reliable networking. Without a strong network foundation, CCTV and automation systems experience latency, delays in video or automation responses, packet loss, loss of video frames/data security vulnerabilities, hacking data theft. 2. Basic networking concepts. LAN, local area network, connects CCTV cameras and devices within a building. WAN, wide area network, extends connectivity over long distances, for example, internet. IP addressing. Each CCTV camera and smart device needs a unique IP address to communicate. Static IP, permanent reliable connection used for servers/DVRs. Dynamic IP, changes regularly managed by DHCP. Subnetting, divides networks into smaller segments for better organization. DNS, domain name system, converts domain names into IP addresses for easy remote access. 3. Network devices in CCTV and automation router. Directs traffic between networks, connects LAN to WAN, internet. Switch, connects multiple CCTV cameras, smart devices, and PCs in a LAN. PoE, power over Ethernet. Switch, powers IP cameras and smart devices through a single Ethernet cable. NVR, network video recorder, records and manages video streams from IP cameras. Firewall, protects network against cyber attacks and unauthorized access. 4. Wired connectivity Ethernet, Cat5, ACE, Cat6, Cat6a, Cat7. Transmits data and power, PoE. Fiber optics, used for long distances and high-speed connections, campuses, large estates. Structured cabling systems, organized cabling layout for CCTV, smart devices, internet, and telephony. Advantages of wired connectivity: stable, interference-free, higher bandwidth capacity. More secure than wireless. 5. Wireless connectivity. Wi-Fi networks common for residential CCTV and automation. 4G/5G LTE connectivity enables remote monitoring in areas without wired broadband. Mesh networks uses multiple Wi-Fi nodes to eliminate dead zones in large buildings. Zigbee/Z-Wave protocols, low-power wireless technologies used in smart home devices. Bluetooth and infrared, used in local device pairing and remote controls. Challenges of wireless connectivity, susceptible to interference from walls, appliances, and other Wi-Fi networks. Bandwidth limitations compared to wired, requires encryption for security, WPA2, WPA3. 6. Cloud connectivity for CCTV and automation. Cloud storage stores CCTV video and smart device data securely online. Cloud-based automation control. Users can control devices remotely via apps. Advantages: no need for local storage hardware. Accessible from anywhere in the world. Automatic backups. Disadvantages: require stable internet. Subscription costs, vulnerable to cyber attacks if not encrypted.